To use a Banco Sabadell personal loan, start by determining your financial needs and the loan amount you require. Banco Sabadell offers various loan options, so it is essential to choose the one that best suits your situation. First, check the Banco Sabadell website or visit a branch to learn about the available loan products, their interest rates, and repayment terms. Consider factors such as the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment period to ensure you can afford the monthly payments. Next, gather the necessary documentation, which typically includes your identification, proof of income, and proof of residence. You may also need to provide additional information, such as your employment history and credit history. Once you have all the required documents, you can apply for the loan online or in person at a Banco Sabadell branch. The application process typically involves filling out a form with your personal and financial information and submitting the required documentation. After submitting your application, Banco Sabadell will review your creditworthiness and verify the information you provided. If your application is approved, you will receive the loan amount in your account, and you can start using the funds for your intended purpose. It is crucial to carefully review the loan agreement and understand the terms and conditions before signing. Make sure you are aware of the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any fees associated with the loan. To repay the loan, you can set up a direct debit from your Banco Sabadell account, or make manual payments each month. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative effects on your credit score. Throughout the loan repayment period, you can monitor your account and loan balance online or through the Banco Sabadell mobile app. This allows you to stay on top of your finances and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and being mindful of your financial obligations, you can effectively use a Banco Sabadell personal loan to achieve your financial goals. Remember to always borrow responsibly and make informed decisions about your financial situation.